Unraveling the mystery of adverbs of frequency? Hello, English learners. Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today, we are diving into the world of adverbs. More specifically, we will be focusing on adverbs of frequency. These are powerful tools that can make your English conversations and writing more engaging and precise. So, let's get started. Adverbs, in general, are words that modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. They tell us more about how, where, when, or to what extent something happens. Adverbs of frequency are a specific type of adverb that tell us how often something happens. Here are some common adverbs of frequency you might encounter. Always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, never. Now, where do we place these adverbs in a sentence? The position of adverbs of frequency can change the meaning of a sentence, so it's crucial to get it right. Most adverbs of frequency are placed before the main verb, except for the verb to be. For the verb to be, the adverb comes after. Let's take a look at some examples. I always eat breakfast. Always comes before the main verb, eat. She is often late for work. Often comes after the verb to be. Mastering the use of adverbs of frequency can make your English sound more natural and fluent. Here are a few tips. Always means 100% of the time. Usually implies about 80 to 90% of the time. Often suggests more than half of the time. Sometimes indicates less than half of the time but not never. Rarely means almost never, perhaps 10% of the time. Never means 0%, it does not happen. Keep in mind, these percentages are not strict rules. They're more of a guideline to give you a sense of how often these terms imply something happens. And that's a wrap on adverbs of frequency. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try using these adverbs in your everyday conversations or writing. You'll soon notice how they add depth and clarity to your communication. We hope you found this video helpful. Keep practicing and, as always, happy learning.